Good morning everyone. Today we will do from question number 5 of exercise 6.1. So in question number 5 it is given following is the list of temperatures of 5 places in India on a particular day of the year. So some places are given in the column of place Siachen, Shimla, Ahmedabad, Delhi, Srinagar, and in the column of temperature some temperatures are given. Question number A is write the temperature of these places in the form of integers in the blank column. So here we have to fill. Siachen is 10 degree centigrade below 0 degree centigrade. So in the form of integers, since it is below 0 degree centigrade, so we have to write minus 10 degree centigrade. Shimla is 2 degree centigrade below 0 degree centigrade, so it will be minus 2 degree centigrade. Ahmedabad is 30 degree centigrade above 0 degree centigrade, so it will be plus 0 degree centigrade. Since it is positive, so we don't need to write the positive sign. You can write the positive sign also, but if you don't write, then also it will represent positive. Delhi 20 degree centigrade above 0 degree centigrade, so it will be 20 degree centigrade. Srinagar 5 degree centigrade below 0 degree centigrade, so it will be minus 5 degree centigrade. So this is the solution of question number A. Question number B, following is the number line representing the temperature in degree Celsius. Plot the name of the city against its temperature. So Siachen is minus 10 degree centigrade, so here it will be Siachen, so I am writing Si. Shimla is 2 degrees centigrade below 0 degree centigrade, that means minus 2 degrees centigrade, so it will be here. So I am writing SH. Here it is 0, then the small line will be minus 1, then the second line will be minus 2. So we have marked SH. Then after SH the small line will be minus 3, then after minus 3 the small line will be minus 4, then we will get minus 5. Ahmedabad is 30 degree above 0 degree centigrade, so it will be plus 30 degree centigrade, so here it will be Ahmedabad. I am writing AH. Delhi is plus 20 degree centigrade, so here it will be Delhi. Srinagar is 5 degree centigrade below 0 degree, so here it will be Srinagar. I am writing SR. So in this way we have to do question number B. Question number C is which is the coolest place. Coolest place means where we have the lowest temperature. The lowest temperature is minus 10 degree centigrade. So the answer will be Siachen. Question number C, the answer will be Siachen. Question number D, write the names of the places where temperatures are above 10 degree centigrade. So the names of the places will be Ahmedabad and Delhi. I am writing AH and DE because I have a small space to write. You write the whole name. So Ahmedabad, the temperature of Ahmedabad is 30 degree centigrade and the temperature of Delhi is 20 degree centigrade. So these are above 10 degree centigrade. So the answer of question number D will be Ahmedabad and Delhi. Question number 6. In each of the following pairs, which number is to the right of the other on the number line? Now, suppose this is the number line. Here we have 0, then 1, then 2 in this way. Here we have -1, -2. Remember that the space between each number will be equal. Since I am drawing on the screen, so my space may not be equal, but whenever you will draw on your copy, then make it equal. Take 1 centimeter or 0.5 centimeter according to your choice. Now, the question number A is given 2 and 9. So, if we have 2 here, then we will get 9 somewhere here. So, here 9 is on the right of 2. Our question is which number is to the right of other on the number line. So, 9 is to the right of 2. Then from here we can say the greater number between 2 and 9 is 9. So, greater number is always to the right of the smaller number. Now, -3 and -8, here the greater number is -3. So, -3 will be to the right of -8. 0 and -1, which is the greater number? 0. So, 0 will be to the right of -1. Here, from here you can see also. Question number D, -11 and 10. So, -11 we will get somewhere here and 10 we will get somewhere here. So, 10 is the greater number. So, 10 is to the right of -11. -6 and +6. -6 we will get somewhere here and +6 somewhere here. So, +6 will be to the right of -6 because +6 is greater. Here plus sign is not given, but whenever no sign is given, it will represent +6. 1 and -100, which is greater? Here 1 is greater. So, 1 is to the right of -100. Question number 7, write all the integers between the given pairs. Write them in the increasing order. Whenever in the question the word between is given, we cannot include 0 and -1, -4 and 4, -8 and -15, -30 and -23. Whenever the word between is given, we cannot include the extreme numbers. Now, the integers between 0 and -7, we have to write it in increasing order. So, the integers between these two numbers are -6, -5, -4, -3, -2 and -1. So, it is the increasing order from smaller to greater. So, -1 is greater than -2, -2 is greater than -3, -3 is greater than -4, -5 is greater than -6. The next question number B is, we have to write the integers between -4 and 4. So, in the increasing order, we have to write it in this way: -3, -2, -1. Then 0, 1, 2, 3. Question number C, we have to write the integers between -8 and -15 in increasing order. So, we have to start from -14, -13, -12, -11, -10, -9. So, this is the increasing order. Now, suppose here if we don't have the negative sign, then 14 is the greatest number among this number. but whenever we will put the negative sign, minus 14 is the smallest among all the numbers here. Then question number D, this is question number C, this is question number B. Now we will do question number D. Question number D is we have to write the integers between minus 30 and minus 23 in increasing order. So from minus 29 we have to start, minus 29, minus 28, minus 27, minus 26, minus 25, minus 24, minus, so up to minus 24 we have to write. Minus 29, minus 28, minus 27, minus 26, minus 25, minus 24. So this is the solution of question number 7. Question number 8a, write 4 negative integers greater than minus 20. 4 negative integers greater than minus 20 will be minus 19 is greater than minus 20, minus 18, minus 17 and minus 16. You can write minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 also. Your choice how you will write. This is also correct, this is also correct. You can write minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9 also, minus 10 also. So these are 4 negative integers greater than minus 20. Whenever minus sign is given, here you have to take the smaller number than 20, then you have to put the negative sign. Question number B, write 4 integers less than minus 10. 4 integers less than minus 10 will be minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, minus 14. I am writing another answer of this question. Suppose I can write minus 25, minus 26, minus 27, minus 28 also. Your choice how you will write the answer. These are 4 numbers, that means 4 integers less than minus 10. Question number 9, for the following statements, write true T or false F if the statement is false. Correct the statement. So question number A is minus 8 is to the right of minus 10 on the number line. So which is greater, minus 8 or minus 10? Minus 8 is greater. So whenever we will draw the number line, here it will be 0. Somewhere here we will get minus 8. Then here we will get minus 9 and here we will get minus 10. So since minus 8 is greater than minus 10, so minus 8 is to the right of minus 10 on the number line. This is the right side of 10. So question number A is true. So we will write T. Question number B, minus 100 is to the right of minus 50 on a number line. Now if you draw the number line, it is not possible for us to draw the number line and plot this minus 100 and minus 50 because the line will be so much longer. So we will minimize the line to make you understand only. So here I am giving 0 and somewhere here I am giving 50 just to make you understand. Here I am giving minus 100 because we will get these numbers in this way only. So from the number line, you look at the number line and tell me that which number is on the right side of which number. Minus 50 is greater than minus 100, so minus 50 is to the right of minus 100. But in our question it is given minus 100 is to the right of minus 50, which is false. So the correct line will be minus 50 is to the right of minus 100 on the number line. So in this way you write on your copy. First you write it is false, then you write the correct line, that minus 50 is to the right of minus 100 on the number line. Question number C is the smallest negative integer is minus 1, but minus 1 is the greatest negative integer, not smallest negative integer. So it is also false. So the correct line will be greatest negative integer is minus 1. Question number D, minus 26 is greater than minus 25. Now suppose we don't have the negative sign here, then the line is correct. 26 is greater than 25, but whenever minus sign is given for both the numbers, then the line is not correct, false. Minus 26 is smaller than minus 25. So this is the solution of question number 9.